Alright, ADV hooligans, back at you today. We've got something special. We had a sponsor. Someone reached out. They said, hey, would you take a look at this battery? I said, no problem. How about sending it to me yesterday on my doorstep? If you followed me on Instagram, you saw it arrived. The KEMIMOTO Lithium Battery. So, battery comes with screws, user manual. You know we don't need that. Got four, take up space for the battery itself. You got it for each side, the front, or the top, depending on your bike you're putting it in. I think this goes into multiple bikes. Lithium power. You know, right off the rip, you know, it's light. It's definitely light. I'll give you a comparison to what I have in the T7 now. But I like this feature here where it tells me automatically what my, you know, I don't know when I'm going to use that, but it's cool feature as of right now. But we'll see how that works out later on. But anyhow, so I want to show you guys the battery. And let's go with the T7 and take the seat off and swap these batteries out. Alright, let's we're back at you. Open this baby up. As you can see, I have a few things that I keep underneath my seat. There's the battery. Alright, I'm gonna go get some tools to get that out. Alright, so the batteries are the exact same size. I mean, I'm talking the exact same size. But what they're not is the exact same weight. Holy smokes. This battery here, I mean, that is heavy. This one, this is nothing. This is so light compared to, I mean, this is, I mean, that gives you a little, yeah, I mean, we'll see. Can't wait to put this on my bike now. This is one of those things that I would never really have gotten. I really wasn't looking, you know, to get one of these. I've seen them, but now that I have it, now I see the weight difference. Whoa! I mean, it's night and day. I mean, it is night. I mean, I can work out with this damn thing. This thing here, you can throw it a mile. So, anyhow, let's get this baby installed and see how it works.